In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on Tradingview with Pepperstone. By the end, you'll know how to connect your broker, place trades right from the chart, and manage your positions with confidence inside Tradingview. To begin, make sure you have a Pepperstone account that's compatible with Tradingview. The Razor account is typically the one that supports this integration. When you sign up with Pepperstone, select Tradingview as your trading platform so the connection is seamless. You can fund a live account or start with a demo if you'd like to practice first. A demo is perfect for getting familiar with order placement and chart tools without risking real money. Whichever you choose, double-check your account currency and leverage settings so they align with your trading plan. Next, connect Pepperstone to Tradingview. Open Tradingview and look for the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This is where supported brokers appear. Find Pepperstone in the list and click Connect. Sign into your trading account securely and approve the connection. Once approved, you'll see your account details appear inside Tradingview, including balance, margin, and any open trades. If the connection doesn't show right away, refresh the page or reopen the trading panel. Also ensure you're looking at a symbol that Pepperstone offers, so your orders can be routed correctly. Now you're ready to place a trade directly from the chart. The first method is the right-click method. Right-click on the chart at your desired price area, choose Buy or Sell, then set your position size, stop loss, and take profit. Confirm the order, and Tradingview will display your entry and risk levels visually on the chart. Take a moment to verify the instrument, the order size units, and that your stop and target reflect your plan. The second method is using the order panel on the chart. Click Buy or Sell, choose your trade size and order type, and then click Place Order. Tradingview supports market orders, which execute at the current price, limit orders, which seek a better price than the market, and stop orders, which trigger once price reaches your specified level. Pick the type that matches your strategy and market conditions. Finally, manage your trades right on the chart. You can drag the stop loss or take profit lines to fine-tune your levels, and close a position by clicking the X on the position line. Keep an eye on the live profit and loss and margin usage as the market moves. For smoother execution, trade during liquid sessions, account for spread, and always size positions within your risk limits.